Well, hey there, Express Maintenance family. This is Eric from Express Maintenance. Just wanted to go over with you some of the new features that have come out in some of our most recent releases. You're probably getting emails and you're seeing that we're doing a lot of things with the software, a lot of enhancements, and this is just one of them that I'm really excited about. Wanted to get a YouTube video put out so you guys could see what's going on. So we understand that it's important for you guys to be able to track your metrics, specifically your failure metrics related to mean time between failure and mean time to repair. Now, historically, we've done this with some reports that you would export, and then you'd add that to a macro report and run it, and it was kind of complicated. Well, now it's built into the software. So this is on version 9.7.3.12. And it's really simple. It does all the work for you. All you have to make sure you do is have the created time, which auto generates, and the completed times. Now you can use dates if you want to just get down to the day, that's fine. And what I'm talking about specifically, if I go to the work order data, this created on is going to be one of the dates that it uses. And then you have your completed date and or time. Okay, the more specific you are, the more detailed your report's going to be. And then you have right here, failure metrics tab, and this mean time between failure will show you what units are failing most often. And so you get this chart that shows you which ones are failing most often. The one over here is the number of days between failure. So you have 1009, unit number 1009 corresponds with this unit number. It's our lift boom, sum of days between failure, sum of intervals between failure, and a mean time between failure in days right here. Of course, what's great about this is now if this is your critical equipment, then you can start to identify which ones are failing most often, do some root cause analysis, and then hopefully over time increase that time between failure and move that thing onto the right so that then you can handle the next priority mean time between failure piece of equipment. And then over time, convert your firefighting reactive maintenance culture into a proactive one. That's our goal for you. So we wanted to provide you with that. And then you also have mean time to repair. So here, same unit, 1009, lift boom, has an average time between repair of 307, or the time that it takes to repair, 375 days. So this is just a demo database, so not going to necessarily rely on that exactly. Hopefully you're down here in the days, maybe into the 10s or 20s of days, but this is going to show you how long it's taking to repair those by equipment. And the thing that you're going to need for this one is the same thing. So you're going to need when it was created and then the completed, and then it's going to take that information, and once you have 3 or more work orders created against that unit, it's going to be able to start giving you your averages. A couple other things that you may be interested in here. You can customize the chart. You can give it a bar diagram. Got a couple other different images here. And we'll be adding some more functionality to this, like being able to jump to the unit right from here, like you can everywhere else in Express Maintenance. You can right click on the unit number and jump to it. But we wanted to get this out to you guys, and we'll continue to make those enhancements. So I hope that this is valuable to you. That's our goal. We want to constantly add and increase the value of Express Maintenance to you. Oh, I forgot one more thing. In order for this to be able to work, it's going to be looking at your work order categories and groups for failures. So this isn't going to show you failures like preventive maintenance. It's only going to show you your breakdowns, right? So on the work order data, you need to have, this is a planned proactive one. Let me see if I can find a demand. See how this says category, demand, reactive? You need to have these words in your category field if those are going to work. Okay, if you don't have those, we can help you run some scripts and help you convert some of the things that you have here into demand reactive. So maybe you use different wording, but if you have demand reactive And with anything in between, as long as they're in that order, then it's going to be able to run your failure metrics. So if you need any assistance there with running some SQL scripts that will change all of those for you so that you can get those failure metrics, be happy to help you with that.